DepEd, non-teaching personnels, may CNA incentive daw? Bakit mga DepEd teachers hindi kasali? Good question ito, friends. Isa ito sa mga employees concern and issue. Sige po, may good answer tayo sa videong ito. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Una-una, friends, ang sagot natin is based sa actual interview o tanong natin sa mga friends natin. Opo, friends, may kaibigan tayo sa DepEd at isa dito ay teacher at ang isa naman ay non-teaching personnel. Alright? So, first, identify natin ano po ang non-teaching personnel sa DepEd. Sila po ito. DepEd non-teaching personnel are categorized as allied services personnel such as accountants, planning officers, human resource management officers, records officers, cashiers, budget officers, engineers, architects, dentists, school, physicians, nutritionists, nurses, legal officers, etc. And other support personnel ng DepEd. Yes, friends, confirm. Meron silang CNA incentive. Tinanong natin, friends, kung magkano ang CNA incentive this year. Sabi ng friend ko is 10,000 daw. According to him, medyo malaki daw ngayon, this year, compared last year. Ayan po. Yan po ang sabi ng friend natin. Actually, friends, ang CNA incentive this year, ang maximum amount na dapat ibigay is 30,000 po. According sa guidelines ni DBM. So, sa DepEd pala na non-teaching personnel, 10,000 lang po ang sa inyo. Depende kasi yan siya sa savings at budget. Ayan po. Alright? So, bakit nga hindi kasali ang mga DepEd teachers sa CNA incentive? Yes, friends, hindi daw kasali ang DepEd teachers, including my friend na nakausap ko din. Sabi niya, sana nga Sir Alan, mayroon kaming CNA incentive. Kaso lang wala kami niyan. Bakit kaya? Ang sagot ko niyan, friends, hindi po compliant ang mga DepEd teachers requirement ni Civil Service Commission at ni DBM concerning this. So paano ba makakuha ng CNA incentive? Answer, kailangan po meron kayong accredited na labor union sa company ninyo or sa organization ninyo and wherein recognized and approved by Civil Service Commission. So, of course, yung labor group na yan, meron kayong elected officers. Sila po yung mag-negotiate sa management ng organization ninyo. Ayan po ang basic requirement. Other requirements po, gawan po natin ng separate video yan. At ano po ang laman ng CNA or Collective Negotiation Agreement between the labor and management. Ayan po. Alright? So, keep watching my YouTube channel, friends. Lahat ng mga concern and issue ng mga employees, including DepEd teachers, i-discuss po natin sa channel natin. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.